I designed this GPT specifically to help you create consistent characters for storytelling. And in this video, I will show you how you can use it effectively to create super cute characters like this with simple step-by-step approach. And this will work even if you have never used AI image generation before, you don't have much experience in art or design, or you don't know how to prompt. As usual, to get started, we are first going into the GPT store and look for consistent character. So consistent character GPT. I'm going to click on that. And by the way, if I have done two other examples, so you can watch the part 1 and the part 2, the link is again in the description. Once you're here, click on start chat. Now let's say I want to tell a story about a kid and I want the same kid in different expressions and doing different actions, right? So let's do that over here. So I'm going to start by clicking over here. Let's get started with creating your character design. First, should the character be male or female, right? So I'm going to type male, and now it's asking me, could you provide a name for this male character? Let's say the kid is named Ikino. All right. And now it's asking me what are the details of this character. For example, age, country, hairstyle, outfit, etc. And we got to use simple language to describe it. So my request for the character description is this. Ikino is an Asian 5-year-old boy. He has green eyes and very chubby cheeks. He likes to eat dumplings and has yellow backpack. He's short and has light skin. He's wearing a red t-shirt. As you see, I'm trying to mention the most important features of Ikino, and I'm not trying to dive into too much details over here. And I'm using very simple language. Do not use too many visual metaphors because the generative AI is going to get confused and you're not going to get the results you want. All right, so let's hit enter. All right, so DALL-E has generated a very cute image of Ikino, and it's listening to the description of the character Ikino very well. So Ikino here is a very young boy. He has green eyes and chubby cheeks like we defined over here. He has a yellow backpack and he is short and has light skin, and he's wearing a red t-shirt. So it's very well listening to my requirements and it has created this wonderful image. All right, so now we need to get to the next stage, and it's asking me what would you like to vary in each image. For example, expression, action, and pose. So I'm going to choose action and I'm going to just type in 2 and hit enter. Now it's asking me what specific action should Ikino be doing in this next image. And let's say I want Ikino to be enjoying and smiling while eating noodle soup. All right, and then I'm going to hit enter. Absolutely cute, right? And it's listening to my prompts again so well. So that's Ikino, exactly him, and he's eating noodle soup and he seems to be enjoying it. And that was what I requested. You do need to know that I have edited my previous prompt a little bit, my request a little bit, and I said he's enjoying while eating noodle soup. You can always go back one step earlier and click on this particular pencil icon, and you can make changes to this prompt and hit save and submit. Right? And then it's going to make you a new image. So the first try might not work always the best, and you might need to iterate and change a couple of things here and there to make sure you get what you want, right? This was my first image and it was not really matching what I was looking for. His face was completely off. And you see over here, it's the first one out of the 2 iterations I did. And this was the second one, which is perfect for my case. So in the third image, let's say I want to show Ikino as being tired and he's feeling sleepy. I'm going to type that he is tired and feeling sleepy. So that's the next action we are looking at. We have it. So it's amazing how it has created very similar images of Ikino. Mind you, I did make few iterations to my prompt. I added like sleeping face to get that, expression. And yeah, I did have to also run some iterations over here. So keep in mind a little different variations to get to the final result. And I want to show you how powerful this is to tell a story. So my next image is going to be, let's say Ikino is dreaming to become a chef of the restaurant. All right. So that's the next image we want to have. So let's try that out. There you go. It's absolutely wonderful. I think this is one of the favorite, cutest images I have created with this GPT. And yeah, you really see how powerful this is to tell a story, and you can use just very simple language to tell this GPT what you really want to create, and you can iterate on it until you get to what you want. If you enjoyed this video and this particular GPT, it would mean the world to me if you can go and give it a 5-star review. You can do that by clicking over here, and you can click on review GPT and give it a 5-star review. You can also type any feedback that you have, which I can use to improve that particular GPT for you, right? As always, please go ahead and like this particular video and subscribe, because I'll be creating a whole lot more videos on consistent characters in the days to come. Thank you.